Go ahead. Do stump.
Because there's a lot of shit in my bag.
Let's do it.
See you, boy. Jaybird. I never met that. Listen.
Y'all, she tried to tell me that I can't run the camera no more because it wasn't recording.
Period. Ooh.
Now do it twirl so you see skirt man.
Ooh.
And then do a hair clip.
Ooh.
Oh no, I was leaving. I was like, you're in the back of my brain. No, this is my little cooler. Thank you. The cooler. Yeah, I was wondering how long it would take y'all to film the video. We're gonna wait.
When niggas is out here and Glocks is busting, how can I not be the topic of discussion when niggas got rich?
I mean, it's a camera.
Yes, we're still here, and yes, we're still those bitches. Period. Literally.
Put Shab on the drinks factory. I don't know what she's drinking or making over here, but I already know it's gonna be good.
It's just gonna be a little special.
A little one, two, a little song, a little song, you know. Deep it, bro. Oh, I'll tip it up. Grant.
He got you.
Just for the back, gotta go, roll a space, get cold, what's rock change, let me see.
Come on. Wait. Come on. I forgot about it earlier. Really to be about to go. We shot over, baby.
It's the fam. It's the gang.
Yeah, you're like flicking. You know she got a strong finger.
You been working out?
Candles day the night, you all. Yep. In the background is crazy. Oh, y'all on it because I'm over here. I see you zooming. Hey, y'all see it. Ooh, hello, Miss Audrey.
Welcome. I'm gonna name the cut.
It's for Kate. So what are you doing?
I'm mixing the butter and sugar, and now I'm getting ready to add the eggs.
I gotta get you two. Last time, bro, you was in the sling, man. He all healed up. You see that shoulder, y'all? Look at that, man.
No, like Annabelle knows.